Hello friends, so we were reading transitive and intransitive verb class 7 and its worksheet 10 object complement. In unit achievers of my English reader class 7 you have read Hilary Bates launched a greeting card. Launched what? A greeting card business. So इस ऑब्जेक्ट ए ग्रीटिंग कार्ड बिजनेस इसको आप इंसर्कल कर देंगे बिजनेस नेम्ड माई माइंड्स आई. नाउ माई माइंड्स आईज हैज़ earned what? Yeah, has earned whom? Has earned Hillary. हिलेरी को आप यहाँ इंसर्कल कर देंगे. An achievement award from the Business and Professional Women's Association. Now a computer program called Equalizer allowed what? Yeah, allowed whom? So object Stephen Hawking to communicate better. Now let us read the above sentences again and find whether the underlined verbs are transitive or intransitive. Most of these all of three sentences are transitive verb. If the verbs are transitive, encircle the object. We have already encircled. Also find out words in the above sentences that tell you more about the objects. Now remember which words which give additional information about the object are called object complements. यानी कि ऑब्जेक्ट जो होता है जो अतिरिक्त जानकारी देता है सेंटेंस में उसको ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स बोलते हैं. जैसे सी यूजेस हर कंप्यूटर टू क्रिएट एंड पैकेज कार्ड्स. तो सी uses what? तो she uses her computer to create and package cards. To create and package cards जो है वो object complements हो गया. Let us read worksheet 11. Look at the given pictures and complete the sentence. Now look, I saw him standing at the bus stop. I saw him standing at the bus stop. Now I found a coin on the road. The jury means judge. The jury declared him winner. Now he painted the house. He painted the house on time. Yeah, in time. He painted the house in time. We found the prices. Very less. We found the price very less after discount. Okay, people elected him MLA. She gave her book to the man sitting on the bench. The principal made her winner. Yeah, a principal made her to come on the stage. Now exercise made him strong, sturdy. We saw a lady at the railway platform. At the railway station we saw a lady at the railway platform. So all words you have filled in the blanks provide additional information about the objects and are therefore object complements. So let us do do it yourself exercise. Read the following sentences and better write transitive and intransitive verbs. Underline the object which wherever the verb is transitive. So an accident broke Kevin Saunders' back beside causing other massive injuries. An accident broke what? तो केविन सॉन्डर्स बैक, तो ये आपका ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा, यानी कि ये ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है. हाउएवर थ्रू करेज एंड फेथ ही क्लाइम्ड टू अनप्रेसिडेंट हाइट्स. ही क्लाइम्ड व्हाट? ही क्लाइम्ड whom? He climbed it seems it's intransitive. It seems to be intransitive. You will write here intransitive. Now next question is C. He inspired others with his courage. He inspired others with his courage. Inspired whom? Others. So it is also transitive. Now he also founded wheelchair success fund. Founded what? The wheelchair success fund. It is also transitive. His organization provides scholarship to disabled people. His organization provides what? Scholarship. So it is also transitive. He has also written a book for inspiring the leader. He has written what? A book. So it is also a transitive verb. Beethoven has composed some of the world's most melodious tunes. So Beethoven has composed what? Some of the world's most melodious tunes. It is also a transitive verb. Now Milton's disability could not stop him from writing his famous epic Paradise Lost. So could not stop what? Milton could not stop him. Could not stop whom? To him. So it is also transitive verb. Now Einstein could not speak till the age of 3. Einstein could not speak what? Speak whom? It is intransitive. So you will write here intransitive. He found it difficult to express himself. He found what? Whom? So I think it's also intransitive. Edison invented electric light. Edison invented what? Electric light. So it's transitive verb. However, he could not read till he was 11. He could not read. He could not read till he was 11. It is intransitive verb. So here ends the chapter. So I hope you have understood the difference between transitive and intransitive verb. Thank you. And your homework is do it yourself exercise. Thank you.